Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the Sperax Walking Vibration Pad, a compact 4-in-1 treadmill pad making waves. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out! First things first, let's talk about the size. This thing is compact, like seriously small footprint. You can literally slide it under your couch or bed when you're done with it. No more giant treadmills taking over your living room. This thing is all about convenience. Okay, let's talk about versatility. The Sperax is marketed as a 4-in-1 treadmill pad, and that's a pretty bold claim. You've got your walking pad, obviously, but then it also doubles as a vibration plate, supposedly good for muscle activation. And to top it all off, they're calling it a mini treadmill. We'll have to put each of these modes to the test and see if they live up to the hype. Now let's talk tech. The Sperax comes with a remote control, which is a nice touch for on-the-fly adjustments. But the real star of the show is the app connectivity. You can connect your phone, track your steps, monitor your progress, all that good stuff. The interface is pretty slick, very user-friendly. One of the biggest complaints I hear about treadmills is the noise. They can be loud, disruptive, especially if you've got family or roommates. But the Sperax promises quiet operation. We'll be breaking out the decibel meter to see just how quiet it really is. Let's be real, price is always a factor. And compared to those massive feature-packed treadmills, the Sperax is definitely on the more affordable side. It's a budget-friendly way to get a decent workout at home. Plus, it's got that sleek modern design that doesn't scream gym equipment. Now let's talk limitations. This is a walking pad first and foremost, and it's not designed for high-intensity running. The speed is limited and there's no incline feature, so you're not going to get that intense workout that some runners crave. Another thing to keep in mind is the weight limit. The Sperax has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. It's always important to check those specs and make sure the equipment is a good fit for you. While the Sperax boasts that 4-in-1 functionality, the features themselves are pretty basic. It's a great entry-level machine, especially for beginners. But if you're used to more advanced treadmills, this might feel a little lacking. One thing I always like to check out with these tech-connected fitness gadgets is the app reliability. Some people reported problems with Bluetooth pairing, data syncing, things like that. Now, these issues didn't seem to be widespread, but it's definitely something to be aware of. So, after putting the Sperax Walking Vibration Pad through its paces, what's the verdict? Well, it's a mixed bag. If you're looking for a compact, affordable way to stay active at home, and you're not a super serious athlete, the Sperax could be a good option. It's convenient, relatively quiet, and the app integration is a nice touch. So that's the Sperax Walking Vibration Pad. It's definitely a unique piece of fitness tech. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.